This is a very sketchy. And there's the entrance. But this is more like a river. This is more like river. See that? More like a river. But it's also the creek. It's very sketchy. That was more like a river, but it's actually the creek. And this way, there's my shopping cart, and this is just a bunch of random stuff. Oh. Nope. Oh yeah. There's a crossing right there. Right there's some crossing, and over there I could figure out a way to cross. Okay. This is going to be very difficult and sketchy, but I can do it. I could do sketchy stuff. Like this, and this, and... Oh yeah. Oh. My longest video is more than an hour long. I'm just recording this way, cause that's more like a river. It hasn't stopped. Wait a minute. In some spots on the camera, it looks more like waterfall. I'm not documenting. Cause I don't want to be doxxed. Wait a minute. No, I can't do that. But I can do this. I was thinking of going through all that, but nah. Going around this tree on the other side to get here. Nah, I'm not doing that. No, I can't. I was about to say something, but no, I can't do that. Here's where I normally sit out and talk to myself. Because I only have a certain number of subscribers. Might be better for more people to subscribe. Even though this channel is about exploring the creek. Exploring is what I do best, apparently. I see which ways I'm making it. No. Nope. If I could drive, I could also post videos about vehicles. Oh man. Hey, there's a waterfall right there. I could probably dox myself, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to stand on that rock no more. I just... From there. Nope. Nope. Yep. Nope. Okay. I do sketchy stuff in the creek, but this is nothing. I see where I'm escaping. I don't know if y'all see where I'm escaping, but I see where I'm escaping. It's where the waterfalls are coming from. Where the waterfalls are at. I'm gonna try to pick up that black ball thing. It's like a milk carton tray, but it's also in this creek. Now I'm gonna go put it in that shopping cart. I'm not gonna do it on camera. I'm gonna do that on a different day. Pick it up right now. And throw it on to the other side. It's not a good rock to stand on.